and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a review on the BoxyCharm 2018 August box. Now the theme of this box is Live It Up. Also it is Life of the Party. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start from the bottom and work my way. So the first thing I have on my BoxyCharm box is the Adidas cuticle oil. This retails for about $18. This is their sweet almond cuticle oil. I actually really like it. I find it really helpful on my skin. Find it really helpful for my cuticles in between manicures. So what I do is I literally just open it and take it and just apply it like that with the brush. Because I apply it on my nail and I just rub it in. It's not nail polish, however it kind of smells like nail polish, but it's also a really sweet smell. So don't be tempted to taste it. So the second thing I have in this BoxyCharm review is this Bang Beauty, yes it is called Bang Beauty, gel eyeliner. Now this is not your typical black gel. This gel is in the color chocolate. Actually kind of reminds me of the Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade in the color chocolate. And believe it or not, I didn't use this as an eyeliner. I actually used it in my eyebrows, and it actually did hold up to the test. I wouldn't say Anastasia quality, however, I only used it once, so we never know. This gel liner actually retails for $22, so it's more than Anastasia's pomade, but since I'm running out of pomade, this will do. Next thing I have are these under eye masks. It's 3 that came in the box. This is by the company Wonder. This is our baggage claim gold eye mask. I'm not sure if you get one for $13 or if you get all 3 for $13, but the packaging is really sleek. I haven't actually tried one yet, hence that's why none of them are open. I have seen other reviews on YouTube and they actually look really cool. Under eye. I'm pretty sure there's some directions on the back saying how long you're supposed to keep them on, but just to read a snippet of what the company wrote, this is their gold foil under eye mask. It's supposed to brighten your under eye, help reduce the appearance of dark circles, and hydrate. So we will see. My eyes are real sensitive, so I don't know if I want to put them on, but I'm definitely willing to try. The next thing that I got in my BoxyCharm box was this Smashbox lipstick. This lipstick retails anywhere from $21 to $24. This is the packaging that it came in. This is the Latte Matte. Do not let the name fool you. Even though it says matte, it's not a matte at all. It's like a regular lipstick. It looks like a brownish orange lipstick. I did end up applying this lipstick on my face today. I used it with a brown lip liner and I just applied some metallic lip gloss over it. It's really cute and I actually really like it, so thanks BoxyCharm, or thanks Smashbox. So next thing I have on my face, I mean I do have it on my face, but still. So next thing that came in this BoxyCharm box were these House of Lashes. So obviously I took them out, but this was the style Bambi. I'll insert a clip or a snippet of that somewhere in one of these corners. I'm actually wearing the lashes now. They're really thin for $9 to $12, but I guess it's just about the quality. They're not my favorite style, but I think they are kind of cute. These lashes are cruelty free, high quality, and long lasting. These lashes are supposed to survive 15 wears. I think it could, depending on what kind of lash glue you use, how you clean the lashes, how you remove the lashes, how you take care of the lashes. But for $12, these lashes better last, you know, for 15 wears, if I was buying it out of my own pocket, of course. And last but not least, I have the Laura Lee Party Animal palette. Now, the official name of this palette is the Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal palette. Yes, and this is actually a really cute packaging, really compact. This is the Party Animal. I know she also has the Boss Babe or the Boss Babes palette out too. She released them around the same time. These are the colors. I'm not going to do a swatch for you guys, but I do, when I tell you these colors are pigmented, they're pretty pigmented. This palette retails for about $19. Now, I ended up using all 3 of these colors on my eye look today. However, the application was not poor on my hand, but I feel like the quality of the pigments aren't the best. Even though I say they swatch well, they're still not the best colors, if that makes any sense. And this is the photo she gave us in the BoxyCharm pamphlet. It's actually really cute. I actually like it. And it seems like everyone in this picture is wearing colors from her palette. So, you know, I don't know. But I don't think it's $19. I don't think it's worth $19. Actually, it's not worth $19. Maybe $9. But it's still a good palette. These are really cute colors. It's just, if you aren't used to wearing color looks and you're afraid of wearing color eyeshadows, this is not the palette I would recommend, because you're gonna have such a hard time using this palette, and it may actually make you want to run away from color, to be honest. Thanks you guys for watching this video. I hope to see you guys in my next video, and just stay tuned for that.